We're back with the $500 boat project.
Alright, today I want to show y'all how we clean this boat. So as you can see, we've got most of the dirt off this boat. So the simple way we clean this, I take this bleach and I got my pressure washer over there.
This spot's a little more tough, so I'm going to spray a little bit more bleach on it.
Alright, y'all, so that's how we clean it off. The kind of simple way. That's how we do it the hard way. As you can see, I'm going to go through the entire boat, pressure washer, and put y'all on the time lapse. That's how we clean that boat. Thank y'all for watching. Go watch the other 2 videos on this boat. Stay tuned for more. Subscribe so you don't miss one. And thank y'all for watching. I'll see you in another video.